Yeah.
Good night. I'm going to talk about the one of the most important facts in 20th century. Um, one of these facts was the first man on the moon in 1969 as part of the Apollo 11 mission. Neil Armstrong became the first to walk on the moon. Um, Another fact was the Titanic sink. On April 1912, the Titanic hit an iceberg and the ship sank, losing at least 1,517 lives. Um, Other facts occurred on November 22, 1963, when the President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, was assassinated by Lee Harvey Oswald while riding in a motorcade through Dealey Plaza in Dallas, Texas. In Dallas, Texas. One more fact was the Holocaust. It was a deliberate, systematic, and horrific murder of millions of Jews by the Nazi regime in Germany from 1934 to 1945. And the last fact that I'm going to mention is the fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989. It was a very concrete symbol of the fall of Soviet communism. Okay, now I'm going to talk about the William Butler Yeats biography. Well, William Butler Yeats was born of a Protestant family in Dublin, Ireland. In 1865, he is considered one of the greatest poets of the 20th century. His first work was published in the Dublin University Review in 1885. His poetry and writings were a display of passion for mysticism and the occult science. In 1924, he earned the Nobel Prize for Literature. And now I'm going to comment one of his poems. I choose the poem When You Are Old. In that poem, When You Are Old, William Butler, of William Butler, the narrator speaks to a beautiful young woman. We can see the poem. We can see in the poem an invitation to think about the future when the old age comes and beauty finishes, when the hair comes gray. It also speaks about ephemeral love that occurs in youth and only seeks the pleasure of beauty. In the poem, it contrasts with a sincere love that goes beyond the external beauty and persists in all age. That is all.